Cat Parties video, and today we will be doing a What's Inside video, but we're not stealing What's Inside's ideas because they haven't done this yet. But what's inside a lucky cat? So let's get started. Hey, let's go. We don't want to damage Kitty if we shove the skizzards in. We might have to. Let's do it. Am I talking loud enough? Okay. Here comes Kitty. There it is. Here's Kitty for you. Meow. I'm free! I'm free! We're gonna have to kill you now, cat. Okay. Let's try pulling its arm off. Okay. Your arm must come. Oh. Kitty's arm. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, we just broke something inside. Maybe. Three. We'll be right back. Just a little pushy thing inside there. Annoying lane. Oh, I feel something. Okay, almost there. Oh. So there's this thing. This is magnetic. And then there's this thing, and then we have the empty shell of a cat, or what was once a cat. Yeah, it's just a little board. I don't think it could be used for anything that much, probably. But peace. Sip. Sip. Look, we made it move. Poor kitty. You can see through it.